You know the feeling of getting an absolutely brilliant idea for a new project. A sensation of motivation and belief that this project could be the one. And that alone serves as motivation to see the project through. But is it enough to keep you going? During my relatively short time as a developer, I have had a fair amount of these experiences. One thing I learned is that not all projects end up working, but from every project journey I learned something new and valuable which I then use in new projects. The reality of creating new projects is that in some cases you end up losing motivation or realize that your initial idea maybe wasn't fulfilling in the first place. I believe that when the perfect idea strikes, you will know if it is the one. Until then, keep building fun projects which expand your knowledge and strengthen your chances to take action on the perfect idea when it comes. Recently, I have been building an app. I'm using React Native to code it. I have never used React Native before, so I'm learning a lot. I use Expo together with React Native, which makes the developing process very nice. It's a recipe app that simplifies your cooking experience. With this app, you can effortlessly log in, upload your favorite recipes, and browse through them with ease. While the concept may not be entirely original, its development has provided me with invaluable insights into the world of React Native. As a first-time user of this framework, I've learned so much through its implementation. Key things I learned when working on this project. Number 1. React Native and Expo is very useful and easy to use when developing an app. Number 2. When you use TypeScript type any, it ruins the idea of using TypeScript. Number 3. Developing an app on Windows is shit. I needed to be able to upload images from my phone, but it was only possible on Android because I had to build the APK file. And that alone took forever, but I got it working so you can upload images. But when I needed to debug a problem about the image uploaded, I also needed to build it again, and with 44 minutes of build time, I was I then found out that you can build it locally, and of course I tried it, but you needed a Mac or a Linux machine for that. Enough of this rant. Write a comment down below if you want me to do a more detailed walkthrough of my recipe app. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is that you should chase your brilliant ideas for new projects, no matter how many people have done it before you. Strive to become better, because that is what develops you as a person. And maybe next time you get an idea, that will be the one.